Welcome back to yet another day of Vlogmas. It's another makeup day. So I'm going to be trying out some holiday releases, and there are going to be two parts of this video. I will put timestamps down in the description box. You can go check it out. Before I get started, real quick, I want to just say over on my Instagram, I am trying to get some feedback. If you want to head over there, you can find it down in the description box. I am going to be switching up my unboxings for 2019, and I would like your feedback on what subscription boxes, etc. you would like to see unboxed on my channel. At the end of the month, I'm going to be actually explaining why I'm doing all of this, but for right now, you could even leave the comment on this video if you'd like. If there are any subscription boxes that you kind of want reviewed, or you want to just see tested the waters kind of thing before you commit, I'm willing to do that testing for you. Use a hashtag or at the subscription box if they have an Instagram. Hopefully they do, so that I can easily find the link and go check them out. And then I will start compiling a list and doing a poll, and we'll see where that goes. So let's get into this freaking video. We are going to try out some holiday stuff. I have two ends of the spectrum here. I have a Sephora release. We've got this tiny little Enchanted palette. They had a whole Enchanted line that came out for the holidays, and honestly, this was the only one that appealed to me, and it's got 8 shadows in here, and it looks like it's kind of just a cute little holiday travel palette. Packaging's nice, it's that sturdy, hard plastic, and the front is very glittery, which always appeals to me. On the inside, it's got a cute little owl. It says, "Shine bright like enchanted stars in the sky." Personally, I could live without motivational sayings inside my makeup, but, you know, it's a cute little thing to add on, I guess. And then this is the inside of the cute palette. It is so little and so adorable. We all know how I feel about little things. I just like tiny versions of stuff. So it looks like there are 4 mattes and 4 metallic satiny shades. Yeah. I'm not entirely sure about the quality. I will do some swatches after I try this on. I'm gonna take this milky white bone matte and set my lids. The least exciting part of an eye look. Now I'm gonna take this brown beige matte shade, and I'm gonna put that up here as my transition shade. It's not very pigmented. It's not totally disappearing when I blend it. I'm gonna go into the dark matte brown. We're gonna try to... Hey, there's some pigment. Make a little outer V. That's not bad. Is it the most pigmented thing in the world? No. It's also a $13 mini eyeshadow. So now I think I'm gonna go into this gold shade with my finger. Press that on my lid. Ooh. That looks really pretty. I actually was not expecting that much from this. And now I'm gonna take a smudger brush, and I'm gonna go into this metallic-y red shade. Okay, so that is the eye look finito. Let me know what you guys think, but I think this is, for $13, a pretty decent quality eyeshadow palette. I do think this was a pretty decent purchase for what it's worth. So I'm gonna do a quick little arm swatch of that little palette, and then we will get into the next holiday kit. Next, we've got the high end of the spectrum for little mini kits, I picked up the ABH Metallic Liquid Lipstick set. These are 3 all new metallic liquid shades, and these can be layered. An assortment of liquid lipstick set. Long wearing, high pigmented metallic lip color. So this is the shade Blizzard. This one looks a lot more like just a top coat. That is a little swatchy swatch. It does look very glittery. This is the shade Mai Tai. Bronzy metallic gold. And lastly, this one is my favorite. I love metallic red lips. Love them. I know there are so many people out there right now that are just done with the fucking metallic lips, but I am still all about them. This is the shade Phantom, and that is the swatch right there. They smell really nice. Okay, just the red one does. That's weird. These two don't smell like anything, and this one smells like a fruity perfume. I like it. So I'm gonna try them on from lightest to darkest on my lips. So this one is Blizzard. You know what? I think the Snow Queen could have used this for her tutorial. I do like this. This is a thing that I think looks good on me, and even if it doesn't, I like it on me anyway. This is like I totally wear this on Christmas Day. Or every day. Every day. Okay, it appears the glitter from that shade is going to be on my mouth forever, which is fine. Mai Tai. These are super comfortable, especially for metallic lips. You know what? I was thinking of wearing the red one today, and I am now actually changing my mind and think I might wear that one. Yeah, I think so. And now we're going into Phantom. Hello. Okay, this is my favorite. I am still thinking I'm gonna wear Mai Tai today, but holy crap. I love me a good metallic red lipstick, and this is just this perfect mixture of like plummy, deep, like oxblood sort of red. Okay, so that is all I'm trying out today. Overall, I thoroughly enjoyed both of those. I do have a couple more Sephora holiday releases that I will be doing in a few upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. And pictures will be up on my Instagram. You can find that in the description. We went over that at the beginning. Feel free to ignore me. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy me, if you are looking forward to Vlogmas, whatever your reason may be. We will see you in the next one.